Imagine this. It's 1992. No notifications. No social media. Gas is cheap. The open highway stretches endlessly ahead. And in your driveway, a bold, full-size Chevrolet Motorhome, ready to take you anywhere. No rules, no pressure, just you, the road, and the journey. Now here's the question. More than 30 years later, why does this motorhome still feel premium? Not fragile, not outdated, solid, confident, built to last. Let's find out. No rules, no pressure, just you, the road, and the journey. From the outside, it commands attention. This isn't a small camper trying to look big. This is a full-size American motorhome built on a heavy-duty Chevrolet chassis. It's strong, substantial, confident. The classic 90s paint schemes, those bold stripes and clean graphics instantly take you back. Wide mirrors stretch outward like the wings of a touring machine. The windshield is huge, giving a commanding view of the road ahead. Storage compartments line the lower sides, perfect for long trips, gear, and adventure. Park it next to a modern RV, and it still stands tall. Functional design over flashy curves. This is timeless presence. Open the door, and the sound itself is reassuring, a solid thud that whispers durability. Step inside, and you're welcomed by warm, real wood cabinetry. Not thin laminated panels, not temporary fixtures. Real wood, solid craftsmanship. The carpet is soft underfoot. The captain's chairs up front are wide, padded, and built for long drives. The dashboard feels broad and planted, more like a touring coach than a typical RV cockpit. The living area surprises you with space. A full-size sofa runs along one side, perfect for lounging after a long drive. Across from it, a dinette booth invites meals, conversations, and card games. The lighting is warm. Brass hardware subtle, yet classy. Cabinets close firmly. Drawers slide smoothly. Nothing feels temporary. Everything feels built to last. Step into the kitchen, and it's clear this RV wasn't made for weekend trips. It was made for real travel. A multi-burner stove allows proper meals. Microwave adds convenience. Double sink with ample counter space. Full-size refrigerator to minimize grocery stops. Every detail screams practicality. Imagine cooking here while miles of open road stretch by your window. That's what separates a true luxury RV from just another camper. Toward the rear, the bedroom offers true privacy. No folding couches, no nightly sit-ups, just a real bed waiting for you. Closets and overhead cabinets store jackets, clothes, and travel essentials. Windows letting natural light in by day and creating a quiet retreat at night. This isn't just a sleeping area, it's a home on wheels. Under the hood, the legendary 7.4L 454 V8 engine isn't built for speed. It's built for torque, steady cruising, and pulling weight effortlessly. Hit the gas and it glides. Smooth, predictable, reliable, encouraging long, scenic drives with soft music and relaxed conversation. That's the charm. This motorhome isn't about rushing. It's about the journey, enjoying each mile rather than racing to a destination. Beyond materials and engineering, this motorhome represents something bigger. Family road trips through national parks, campfires under clear skies, waking up to mountain views, traveling not just to arrive, but to experience. Driving it feels like stepping into a time capsule, a reminder that travel doesn't have to be fast to be meaningful. Now I want to hear from you. Would you choose this classic 1992 Chevrolet Motorhome over a brand new, high-tech RV filled with screens and smart features? Do you prefer old-school durability or modern convenience? Comment below. I'm really curious. True luxury isn't always about technology. Sometimes it's about strength, character, comfort, and how a space makes you feel after a long day on the road. 3 decades later, this 90s luxury RV still feels premium. Not perfect, but intentional. Built to last. Built for real travel. If you love this look back at a classic era of motorhome design, hit like and subscribe for more in-depth RV reviews, vintage and modern. Remember, the open road isn't just a destination. It's a feeling.